I knew a wonderful boy. He was fast as a cat. What will become of that kid? Mensur Peljto, world champion. There was something in him, even though he was small. Defended himself very skillfully. He started tampering early. I haven't seen him in many years, not heard a word of him. Someone calls me sir on the street. Mensur is our champion. There was something in him, even though he was small. Defended himself very skillfully. He started tampering early. They say that one walks around the world. In the ring everything great. In his youth, how would you say that he would go so far? There was something in him, even though he was small. Defended himself very skillfully. He started tampering early. Today he trains girls and boys. One of them will be a champion. To spread the glory of the city, my big wish now